I'm here on top of the dunes.
I made it to the dunes. Check this out.
These guys are just ripping, building jumps wherever they want. Ultimate freedom. And then there's me, hiding in the bushes with a beard, a broken elbow. I wish I could partake in activities, but from here on out, I am a proper tourist. Simply sightseeing. Also wanted to say shout out Team Jordan Bow, Noah, Kiki. Thank you for the spot. Now I just gotta get back down to my car. Goodbye, dunes. If you guys saw my last video, I currently am out here with a broken elbow on a road trip right now. I'm about 150 days in this little white van.
AOT pack, what's on deck?
Just took a nice hot shower here at the laundry place. Here's another transit. How are you? Nice van. But today's a good day, the weather's beautiful, and I'm gonna continue up the coast. First stop, a place called Thors Well. There was a waterfall right over there just falling onto the road. It was unbelievable. This is just so sick. I'm about to take the drone up in the air and see what it looks like, so cut to the drone. Thors Well, I made it. Time to see what this place looks like. I was kind of flying the drone from this like area with a bunch of trees surrounding it, and the GPS failed on me and the drone lost connection while it was over the ocean. It was about 600 feet up in the air and I lost connection. My heart was racing, but I got the drone. I pulled that drone right out of the sky and I landed her. Every time a wave comes in like this here, check this out. Powerful place. There's where the well is. Everybody's stoked. There it is, the Thors Well. I can say that I have never seen anything like that my whole life. Literally like the entrance to the center of the earth. Time to hit the road. Back to the van. There's so many people here. Oh, what a sick rig. Now that's a surf machine right there. From Vermont though. Bunch of vans out here. And then there's my little guy. Apparently Thors Well used to be a big underwater cave, and then one day the ceiling collapsed, which turned it into a well. And now people come from all over the world to see this place. I thought that was pretty interesting. Some guy told me that, but this place is just amazing. There's so many underwater caves and like so much to look at. I mean, I just sat here for 2 hours and took some videos and time is flying by. Like, I love it here so much. And I'm not gonna let the elbow get me down. I still made it out there to the spot. I'm gonna head back up the coast. How cool is this? There's a whale in the front yard, but that's not the crazy part. It sprays. Check out this sunset. I need to get the drone up in the air. I'm currently driving with my knee. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up here at Walmart. First things first in the morning, find a restroom. Well, I found a nice little restroom to wash up at this morning. I'm gonna grab a coffee. I'm gonna head down to the harbor, watch seals for a little while, drive up the coast to a spot called Devil's Punch Bowl. I plan on ending this video tonight in a little town called Depot Bay. My buddy John Quast told me Depot Bay is like the best, so time to hit the road. I'm here in Newport, Oregon, and I'm looking for sea lions. Another day, another dollar iced coffee. Morning, I ordered on my phone. My number is LH86. Thank you, sir.
Iced coffee boy. A one-handed iced coffee.
I guess my first spot of the day is kind of a botch. I came down here looking for sea lions, but I don't know where they all are. We're gonna see why they call it the Devil's Punch Bowl. Everybody's looking at it. There it is. Everybody was like on the fence pointing at something, and I went up and asked the guy, and there's a couple whales out there. It's my first time ever seeing a whale. So I'm sitting here watching a whale and a bald eagle flies by. I just saw a whale and a bald eagle in the same moment. Like, that was unbelievable. I cannot believe it. I just saw a whale and a bald eagle. Wow. My good friend John recommended me go to a place called The Sticks for fish and chips, so on our way to Depot Bay finally. That inspired me. I think the next vlog is gonna be a whale watching tour. Made it to Depot Bay, and the town is like set up on a hill, so all of the streets look over the ocean. The Sticks, home of the fish and chips. Wow, this fish and chips looks slapping. Fire. Oh, look at that sexy van sitting on the hilltop. Probably the best fish and chips I've ever had. I'm gonna keep moving on this journey, so tune in. Have a great week, everybody, and I will see you guys in a few days. Peace.